you?
I'm happy.
Good. Tell me your Vietnamese name. What is your Vietnamese name? Vietnamese. What is your Vietnamese name?
Ling.
Lin. No, that's your Ling. But your English name is Lin. Yeah, I like your name. Very good. How old are you, Lin?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza. Do you like mangoes? Or mangoes? Do you like mangoes? No. Watermelon. Watermelon. Do you like watermelon? This one?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What about animals? What animals do you like?
I like dog.
Dogs. Okay. What about lions? Do you like lions? What about crocodile? Do you like crocodile? Yes! Oh my gosh, Lee, they are so dangerous. Alright, Lee, today we will start our speaking test, okay? So I want you to speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so let's start with the vocabulary. Look at this. What are you doing here?
I'm eating.
Next.
I'm painting. I'm sleeping. I'm dancing.
Very good. Do you know how to spell eating? Spell it. S?
I
No, spell it S-E. And S.
A
S first. S-E-E-A-A. Yeah. A-T-I-N-T-E.
T I N
Eating. Next. Painting.
P A I N T
Good job. Next. Sleeping.
S L
E.
E P I N G
Correct. Next. Dancing.
D A N C I N G.
Great. Wow, Ian. Very good. Now tell me what's this?
This is a ball.
Piano. Good. Next.
This is a baseball. This is a soccer ball.
Soccer ball.
This is a helmet.
Do you have soccer ball?
No, I don't.
This one, soccer ball you don't have? Do you have a paddle?
Yes, I do.
How many paddles do you have?
I have two.
Two? Ooh, you have to teach teacher me, okay? What about this one? Do you have soccer ball? Or baseball, sorry?
No, I
No,
don't.
you don't. What about helmets?
Yes, I do.
How many helmets do you have?
I have one.
One only. Okay, but let's move on to here. What are they?
They are free markers.
Okay, next.
They are for color pencils. They are for erasers.
Good.
They are thick pens.
Okay, Lee, do you have pens?
Yes,
How many pens do you have?
I have three pens.
Wow, what are the colors? Black. Do you have
Black, green,
green and
red.
red? Very good. Do you have erasers?
Yes,
Yes,
I do.
yes, you do. How many erasers do you have?
I have one.
Only one. Next time, if you are the best student, teacher will give you eraser. Okay. All right. So what about? Let me see. Oh, I don't know. Markers. You have markers? Yes or no? Do you have? Yes, you do. How many markers do you have? I have
I have 16.
16? Oh my gosh, a lot of markers. Great. Okay, last one. Color pencils. Do you have?
I have.
Yes or no? Yes, I do or no, I don't.
Yes, I do.
How many
I
crayons?
have two.
Two only? What are the colors?
Blue and red.
Blue and red. Is that your favorite color? Blue? Yes? Oh, that's why. Okay, good job. Next, let's move on to phonics. Look at this. Can you tell me what is it?
This is a ostrich.
This is an ostrich. Ostrich, right? What's the beginning sound?
O
Oh, yes. What is this?
rabbit.
Rabbit. Beginning sound?
No.
Good job. What's this?
This is a water.
Water. What's the beginning sound? Come on. Big sound here, not letter. Sound. W sounds. Yes. What's this?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Say the word kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Beginning sounds.
K.
Good.
Under.
Okay, the dog is under the table, right? What's the beginning sound? Next.
Question.
What's the beginning sound?
Queen.
Q. Quack, quack. Alright, next. Let's move on to commands. Read.
Brush the teeth.
Where is it? Good. Next. What's this?
Bounce the ball.
Where is it? Where is bounce the ball here? Good job. Next, read.
Shoot the ball.
Where is it? Good. Okay, what about this one?
Roll a half circle.
Where is it? And this one, what is it? Finish, right? Finish. Now, what is this?
Brush your teeth.
Where is it? Brush your teeth. Where is brush your teeth? Great job. Now, are you ready for the presentation? You will present your daily routine, okay? Make sure to speak loudly so that I can hear you clearly, okay? Ready? Alright, let's start. Ready? Go.
Hello, my name is Lynn. I'm 8 years old. Here is my daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 6 and eat breakfast. And then I go
I go to school.
school at 7. At lunch,
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch at 11.
I go home.
I go home at 5.
5.
I like drawing and painting.
Wow, and then I see that.
I
Oh,
sleep.
do homework. I do homework. What time you do homework?
Yes,
Yes, what time? At
at
8 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
9.
9. Then I sleep at.
I sleep at 11.
Okay,
Which
so
my grandma.
with my grandma. Okay, good. Say thank you for listening, though.
Thank you for listening.
Good job. Wow, you are most improved now. Very good. You are improved a lot, Lee. Okay? Just continue doing that. Say goodbye to teacher now.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Lee. See you again. What are you